What's up, GNCRC gang? Back once again with another video of the Panda Hobby Tetra24. So in this video, guys, I want to go back and test the wheels on the front. I wasn't thinking when I made that first video, I just tested it on the back. I know the hub is going to be a whole lot larger on this one. So we're going to go back and we're going to test and see if the 124 wheels do fit. Shortly after I did that video, I thought about it. And then when I premiered it, then somebody in the comments actually asked me. So I want to test this right quick just to see. So there you go. It does fit. This is an Injora wheel, Injora plastic bead lock. And we're going to see if the stock wheel fit. I'm sure it does. It look like it so far. And it does. It's a fit. It actually doesn't look bad at all. It's almost, this is almost the same diameter as the stock Panda Hobby wheel. So check that out. Almost the same diameter. It's pretty much the same diameter. It's just not the same width. This is the Panda Hobby and this is the stock wheel for the SDXC. But yeah, it does. Fits like a glove. Perfect fit. Tell me what you guys think about the look of this wheel on here versus the look of the stock wheel. Of course, this is a bead lock. This is not a bead lock. If I'm not mistaken, I found out these are 1.2 diameter versus 1.0, if I'm not mistaken. That's a stalker from the SDXC. And this is a stalker from the Tetra24. And again, this is an Injora wheel. Like I say, it fits right on there. The thing is, that portal, it's just not, it's not just bulky, it's not just super big, so it goes right on there. Trying to get you guys in the camera. Goes right on there. All right, guys. Next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.